we're delighted to have reached this stage of the clinical trial, the LPS challenge study that we're running. Ultimately we want this drug in severe influenza, and this is an important step along the way where we're testing 001 in this volunteer setting. We stimulate the immune system, the inflammatory response, using lipopolysaccharide. And in these 36 volunteers, we were happy to announce there's no serious adverse events, an important step along the way. It had been in phase 1 previously, which were safe and well tolerated, but important to double down or double check this in an inflammatory setting. So we're very happy the way the outcome so far. And the next step now is to look deeper into the data and confirm the overall efficacy of the study, which we'll have in Q2 of next year. So again, very happy with progress. I mean, delighted with the team. We worked very hard to get this moving, adhering to our timelines and milestones that we stated to the market. So things couldn't have gone better. So very, very happy with that. I think that the challenge now we have, or the excitement we have, is for this. The efficacy data as that reads out. This is 36 healthy volunteers, 3 different doses. It's a blinded study. So, what we see from this now is that we'll dig deeper into the data, and, confirmation of efficacy is what we want to see. And we should have that readout soon. So again, very happy with the progress so far. I'm very excited to see the data as it comes out. The importance of this is like we're targeting ultimately severe influenza, and the World Health Organization, declares. I mean, it's all around us right now. There's been a bit of a resurgence after the COVID lockdowns, and there's 3 to 5 million severe influenza patients, that occur now globally, and the numbers are striking again this year. And there's a real pandemic potential here for severe influenza. But there's nothing out there when you progress to that severe influenza stage. And we think we've got a very important drug here to address that. POLB 001 blocks the cytokine storm and helps the patient recover. So this is our, this challenge study is a step along the way to determine that and convince that. And as I say, we're very excited to be progressing as we are, pushing it. And, as I said, we see this as having kind of global potential, pandemic preparedness potential. So a very important product to have, as there's nothing else out there that's like this. Yeah, listen, we're again, as I say, excited about this kind of initial success of the study, clearing this hurdle, as it were. But as I say, the goal now is to kind of dig deeper into the data. And ultimately, we've said all the way along from a POLB standpoint, partnering is our objective. So we think we'll have a very robust data set here to encourage partnerships from this. And that's a stated goal for next year, to get a partner on board to bring this forward further into the clinic in the severe influenza setting. And that's how we kind of generate our revenue or our income as a company at POLB, where we get upfront of milestones from these partners. So we think we have a very attractive asset here, and the data set that we have from this challenge study, as I say, the clinical phase is now finished, which is a milestone for the company. That partnering that next year will be the ultimate goal. So again, it's stated goal of the company generating rapid, early, high quality human data and partnering. And so far so good. As I say, we're excited to have reached this milestone and have the positive initial outcome from this study.